All right, we're ready to begin qualification match number 7, and it will begin in 3, 2, 1, go! Once again, all 4 robots, all in motion, and Smelt going right into the corner of their observation zone to park for 3. As their alliance partners, they're looking to find some samples to score, and they're going to make their way to push those neutral samples on the red side of the field into their net zone for 2 points each. On the blue line side of the field, we have Neobots 1 parked in their observation zone, where their alliance partners, Robo Eclipse, have scored 3 neutral samples into their blue high basket, each for 8.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
2-minute driver control period. Maybe a little bit of movement during that transition, but we're going to focus on how there is 1 minute and 50 go in driver control. Robo Eclipse continuing their scoring efforts of looking for samples from the submersible at the center of the field to score into their blue high basket, all for 8 points. As they lift up their mechanism to drop those samples, it will flow down into the blue high basket. Creative Minds, they are collecting those red samples courtesy of their human player, as their human player will continue to make specimens out of those samples, thinking of how worthy these can be used to score points. As Creative Minds look to score that red specimen on the high red chamber, it's taking a little bit of time. Their alliance partner, Smelt, looking for red samples from the center of the field. That is in their bot, and that is going to incapacitate them from obtaining any further samples. As they try to get that out, just some back and forth movement will get that out as they look to intake that for farther scoring. Robo Eclipse continuing those cycles of scoring yellow samples into the blue high basket. Again, those each count for 8, and their alliance partners Neobots 1 with a blue sample into their blue net zone for 2. With 35 seconds to go, it is a 102-38 for the Blue Alliance as we hear that train whistle sound. Teams trying to make their final scoring efforts. The Red Lions continuing. We have 1 at the observation zone. That is Creative Minds. They're trying to get that red specimen for their final scoring effort. They have 1 red specimen on the high red chamber. They're looking to get a second one. And their alliance partner Smelt trying to get on that red high rung for potentially a climb. They're off the ground. And the Blue Alliance, we have a plexiglass on the field with 3 seconds go as time expires. Referees will have to